I'm Devin Roller, and I'm a laboratory specialist senior in the Department of Microbiology, Immunology, and Cancer Biology, and I've been working at UVA for 16 years. I began doing undergraduate research with a professor in entomology, which is the study of insects. I was taking medical and veterinary entomology with that professor, which is insects that cause disease in animals and people. And she was looking for some undergraduate research to help her do surveillance of mosquitoes that have West Nile virus. And so during my time in her lab, I got to know her very well, and we started talking about the possibility of research as a career, which is something I had never really considered before. And she really encouraged me to apply to graduate school and gave me direct admission into her lab to get my master's degree. So once I completed my master's degree, then I got a job in a virology lab at VCU, and I worked on that project for 2 years. And then I moved to this area with my significant other and got a job at UVA in a cancer research lab. So I've been working at UVA in 2 different cancer research labs now for 16 years. I think it's important to consider not just your research interest and then if the lab that you're interested in, you're interested in the research that they're pursuing, but also understanding that lab's culture and environment and how they're utilizing technicians within the lab. Some labs want their technicians to really work independently on their own project. Some labs have their technicians work under a more senior member of the lab, like a postdoc, and so you're working very closely with that person day to day, and they're really giving you some more direction. Some labs have their technicians do a lot of lab management work, so a lot of ordering, a lot of managing equipment, a lot of managing paperwork. So just understanding how a lab is utilizing their technicians, and if there are opportunities for presenting research, if that's important to you, or working to make figures for grants or publications if that's important to you. I think understanding lab culture and environment is just as important as understanding the research that lab is doing.